Hey, how you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic. I hope you guys are too. All right, so I'm James Allspaw. The whole idea on shooting the screencast is to kind of give you guys some info and some insights on how we can make this website better and how we can rank it in other local towns and cities and get you guys more customers. That's what it's all about, right? So the first thing that I noticed on your website is this needs to be click to call. Um, Google wants it to be click to call so that way they can verify when a customer reaches out, right? So if somebody, for example, if I wanted to call you right now, Google would have absolutely no idea that I called you. The second thing I noticed is all the words on your page is called command content, and Google likes to see about 1,500 words of or command content. And right now you're currently at 363. So we need to bring that up quite a bit. And lastly, your website is created with Wix, and Wix is not SEO friendly, and it does not have a security built in for the website, which is it's a big deal, right? So I would highly recommend using a different platform. Um, Maybe using Snaps. I've used that in the past, and it's laid out really well. It's very clean. So all right, let's go ahead and get started. So I know you guys want to expand to other areas, right? So what I did was I went ahead and typed in carpet cleaning Findlay, Ohio. And so number one on the map pack is extreme carpet care. Number one in the organic listings is OxyFresh carpet cleaning. Two is Angie's List. I'm not too worried about Angie's List because that's not really a competitor for you. They're more of an ad, right? They're putting other businesses in their website. And then three is Extreme Carpet Care. So what I did was I took number one and number three and your website, and I compared them into a software that I use, um, so that way we can compare all three of them. Okay. So the number one position is OxyFresh, and though OxyFresh is nationwide, which I'm sure you guys are well aware of that, right? Um, Now, with that being said, they are going to be a little harder to beat. I'm not going to say that they're unbeatable because everybody can, everybody can be beat. But it's going to take a lot more time and effort, right? And to be honest with you, you don't need to be in first position. What I always strive for is the top three positions, right? Top three, and you're golden. However, let's go ahead and go through this though. Okay, so this is the Google's trust factor and power factor. They have a trust factor of 54 out of 100 and a power factor of 57 out of 100. They got almost 98,000 backlinks, which backlinks is a shout out from another company or website rather. And it gives you exposure and it gives you power. They have almost 2,500 referring domains, and they have almost 2,100 or 21,000 organic keywords. Organic keywords is literally, for example, carpet cleaning, Findlay, Ohio. Hardwood floor cleaning, Findlay, Ohio. Hardwood floor cleaning near me. Um, those are all organic keywords, and those need to be throughout your website. They have a lot only because they're throughout the entire nation, right? So they're trying to rank in so many different towns and cities and so forth. They have organic traffic of 71,000 per month. So go ahead and look at their website. They have a very nice and clean website. That snaps I'm using is pretty similar to this. They have 1,501 command content. So they're pretty much like, bam, right there, right? So let's go to extreme. This layout's pretty much the same too. Now, their command content is extremely low. It's 242. So if we get yours around that 1,500 mark, we can definitely beat them, right? So, which I like their picture here. We need something up top here to draw the customer in. You know, maybe that $1 million house that you guys did. So, all right. So let's go over here. So extreme carpet care, they have a trust factor of 19, a power factor of only 1.9. They have 78 backlinks, 26 referring domains, 113 organic keywords throughout their website, and they have an organic traffic of 27. So we could easily beat these guys without a doubt, right? And then this one's yours right here. So right now you don't have any data for your trust factor, and you have a 0 power factor or power rating. You have 5 backlinks, 5 referring domains, and 2 organic keywords, and 0 traffic as of right now. But we can definitely add more backlinks, add more content, command content, update your website, make it pretty, and get you some customers. But if you have any more questions, please reach out, and please let me know when you guys watch this, and let me know what you think. Thank you guys. Pleasure working with you.